The mentality of our company is always to install with our supplier not only a relationship, but really a marriage. My partner in the company started the company in 2005, and it's very curious because he was a truck driver transporting some flexible packaging for other companies. Going around, you just see that the customer had at the time special needs, so they need less quantity, fast delivery, and also high quality in printing. So he decided, in a very curious way, to start up a company where he didn't know anything about this business. Okay. After a couple of years, he was ready to start a printing machine. He wanted to change the mentality at the time for the Italian market, because the mentality was to buy big machine to cut the cost in speediness and in quantity, but not to be so reliable on small quantity and fast delivery. He went to a big company that was making printing machine for the label industries, but not for the flexible packaging machine. Combined them to this company, so with a good relation to this company, they developed the first machine to print small run in narrow webs. This changed also the idea because Massimo Raffaella, that is the founder of the company, had also the idea not to use any solvent in the process of packaging industries, just to be far away from all the other competitors in order to put on the market some new advantages. We were already focused on food industries and pharmaceutical industries. He needs something better that was offering on the market. Some years later, I joined also the company because he needed also a support on the commercial side. I was able to speak the different foreign languages, and that's why we were also focalized to spread our business also abroad, not only in Italy, but in the rest of Europe. The technology helps us to be very, very fast on delivery and also in quality. So the definition of our printing system is very close to the rotogravure printing system, not to the standard flexo machines. We just really was entering this niche market that was not really to take away business from the flexo printers, but from a small quantity of the rotogravure printers. And that was helping us because the rotogravure printers do not want to decrease their quantity, and they were helping us to grow up because the niche was increasing the market share. We are probably one of the only groups in Europe that have all the technology on flexible printing system. So we start from digital, as you say, UV LED, water-based flexo, solvent-based flexo, and also rotogravure. So the benefit of digital is also to offer mock-up and very short-run production. We see that this is only normally a startup situation. For the future, we see that digital is taking always more items, but they have to, for sure, speed up the production and also to decrease the cost of the production. Otherwise, it will be difficult to recover some niche of the market. We are very good because we can also offer UV LED system that is also not obliged to us to print big production.
I'm involved in this kind of new project to collect new data from our machine. We can measure every centimeter that passes in our machine, and with this kind of data collection, we can improve our productivity and our efficiency, and also we can reduce the waste of material because we can program all of the job in correct sequences to reduce this kind of waste of the material. From the sustainability perspective, we did also a very big project of the solar panel. We mount in every of our 7 buildings the solar panel on the roof, and we can decrease our electricity consumed from our provider, so we can produce the electricity by our own.
So the idea of the company was to be faster as anybody on the market, but to be faster we should also internalize our pre-press, because to be faster and increase our quality we should make everything internally. We were looking for a technology with our same mentality. That's why we both, just at the beginning, we just make this marriage together with Asahi that has the same mentality. So we were first installation with water system that say also in the process of the plate we don't use any solvent. With Asahi we can engrave plate to be used in all the technology on printing technology. Let's say UV LED system, water-based ink and solvent ink. This allows us to use the same system for all the kind of application. They have 2 benefits. First benefit is to have high quality in all the different printing system, and also to don't use any solvent, because also the plate, made the plate and washing the plate is a water system. So we wash the plate with a normal water. And we have also installed a system, so first in Europe, to regenerate the water that we use till 80% of our consumption water.
ACM needs was to go into the sustainability solution for both playmaking and printing, providing high quality printing result and high productivity. This for both UV inks application, water-based inks application on film and paper, and for solvent inks as well. Asahi philosophy is very, very clear. We want to go to solvent zero in printing industry. That's why we did develop AWP. AWP means Asahi water-washable plate. It's a plate which is carbon neutral certified, which helps also for sustainability reports. And additionally, it's a plate which combines high quality, excellent quality in printing and high efficiency in printing.
The idea of the customer is very positive, but we should stay on the market, because the customer are looking for not only quality, sustainability, but also price. Due to our increase of the production, we can be on the same price level of the market price, but with higher quality and sustainability idea. The mentality of our company is always to install with our supplier not only a relationship, but really a marriage. We just share with them all our problems, so we are very open. We invite them also with their customer just to share with them all our information. And was starting from the beginning this fantastic marriage, because they were helping us also to increase our quality with their technician. It was quite easy to adapt. For sure is a learning curve, and we are still learning with them. We will install a new machine, probably much bigger by the end of this year. But this is really, a relation that we work together and we increase our quality together. That is very important because also for the recycle system, they just sent to us at the beginning just a prototype, and we developed them with them this prototype till we receive the final machine. So this is really a good relationship, and that is a win-win situation for both companies.
Later this year, we will install the first 50 by 80 large plane making machine in the world, and we will install the machine here in ACM.
We should be very aware on what the market is demanding. We are seeing that the market is changing very fast with the new generation. We used to have one item for years, not anymore. So also big brands are changing the items very, very quick. So the demand is to be fast in delivery, fast in changing, and also to be very reliable on the market. And the other question is also how is changing the product, because the product itself will change a lot, because the market is looking for a new product, mono product, or a product to be recyclable or easy to regenerate it. So we are very, very active also in this field to try to develop with our supplier and partner a new product to be printed and delivered in a very good quality.